When one of you sneezes, he should say,
Alhamdulillah.
and his brother or companion should say to him,
يرحمك الله.
and he, the one who sneezes, replies back to him,
يهديكم الله ويصلح بالكم.